A friend sends you a product link. You tap it, and voila. You're not just in the app, but viewing that exact product. That's not magic, that's deep link. So, let's see how to implement it in Flutter. Firstly, a shout out to the Code with Andrea website for providing such a detailed blog about deep linking in Flutter. For Android, you need to add an intent filter that contains your website domain. Copy this intent filter to your project inside the following folder: Android, App, Source, Main, Android Manifest, .xml. Paste it below the other intent filters and make sure to include the path prefix so the app can recognize different links properly. You can customize this part depending on how you want your links to be structured, as shown in the blog. Next, you need to create an assetlinks.json file with the following content. The only things you need to change are the package name of your app, the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint. You can find the package name at the top of your Android manifest.xml file or inside your build.gradle. To get the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint, go to your app in the Google Play console, then follow these steps. Go to Test and Release. Open App Integrity. Find Play App Signing. Click Settings next to it. There, you will find the production SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your app. After creating the assetlinks.json file, ask your backend developer to publish it on your website, exactly like in the example below. Make sure the file has the .json extension. It should look something like this. Now for iOS, open your app in Xcode and go to the Signing and Capabilities tab. At the top, click Plus Capability. In the window that appears, search for associated domains, then click it to add it to your app. After adding it, press the small plus button under the Domains section and enter your domain in the following format: applinks:/yourdomain.com. Make sure it starts with applinks:, followed by your domain name. Next, you need to create an Apple App Site Association file, similar to the assetlinks.json file we created for Android. In this file, you need to modify the code according to your app's information. The main things you need to update are app IDs and components. For the app IDs, you need two values: Team ID. You can find this in your Apple Developer account. Open the Apple Developer profile and scroll down to Membership Details, where the Team ID is listed. Bundle ID. Go to App Store Connect, then select your app. Then in the left sidebar, click App Information. Scroll down and you will find the bundle ID. Once you update these values, ask your backend developer to upload the Apple App Site Association file to the required URL on your domain. Unlike Android, this file must not have a .json extension. It should be hosted exactly as shown.